Good day, grade 9 Phoenicians. I am Miss Janina Ber F. Canaria, your MAPE teacher. I hope you are doing great. This video lesson will help you understand our lesson for today in physical education. But before we start, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell button for more videos and updates.
For today's lesson, here are the most essential learning competencies. 1. Discusses the nature and background of indoor and outdoor recreational activities. 2. Participates in active recreation. With the following objectives, identify types of recreation, differentiate indoor and outdoor recreation, participates in active recreation to be physically fit. Before I introduce to you the new lesson, let us have a recap of the past lesson. All you have to do is to identify each festival if it is religious or secular. Are you ready? Number 1, Sinulog Festival. A. Religious. B. Secular. Correct answer, letter A. Good job. 2. Panagbenga Festival. A. Religious. B. Secular. Correct answer, letter B. Very nice. 3. Mascara Festival. A. Religious. B. Secular. Correct answer, letter B. Very good. 4. Gigantes Festival. A. Religious. B. Secular. Correct answer, letter A. Very good. Now, our lesson for today is about recreation. How do you live your everyday life? Are you the typical couch potato or physically active person? Let us first answer the survey form containing statements to assess your lifestyle. All you have to do is to write on your paper if it is always that is 3 points, sometimes that is 2 points, or never that is 1 point. Statement number 1. I accumulate 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week, like brisk walking, climbing the stairs, farm work, or home chores. I do vigorous activity that elevates my heart rate for 20 minutes at least 3 days a week. 3. I do exercises for flexibility at least 3 days a week. 4. I do exercises for muscle fitness at least 2 days a week. 5. I eat 3 regular meals each day. 6. I select appropriate servings in the food guide pyramid. 7. I restrict the amount of fat in my diet. 8. I consume only as many calories as I expend each day. Are you done? What does your score mean? If you got 21 to 24, that is 5 stars, which means you have a healthy lifestyle. But if you got 16 to 20, that is 3 stars and you have an average healthy lifestyle. But if you got 15 and below, that is 1 star. That is a warning on your lifestyle. Now let us define what lifestyle is. Lifestyle is a way of life. It is your style of living that reflects your attitudes and values. While recreation, it is a voluntary participation in an activity during free and unobligated time that gives enjoyment. It refreshes one's mind and body after a day's work. It embraces both indoor and outdoor activities that refer to sports and exercise, leading to the attainment of enjoyment as well as managing our desired weight. You spend your day attending to your biological needs such as eating, sleeping, and resting, which is called existence. Attending to your classes in school, that is subsistence. And the time for enjoyment and relaxation, that is your free time. Students like you are faced with lots of things to do in a day. Many of your activities are less physically active or called passive, that you don't need to exert extra effort or energy. But others are physically active that requires you to burn extra calories. A few examples of passive are playing mobile games, reading books, and watching TV. While for active, examples are doing exercises, hiking, biking, and swimming. The activities that you voluntarily participate during your free time are called recreation. Experts suggest that in choosing your recreational activities, it should be of your interest and not of others. It should also be voluntary and not pressured by somebody. And lastly, it should meet your recreational satisfaction needs such as physiological, educational, social, relaxation, and aesthetics. The less physically active activities that you are into, it has an alarming effect to your health. But today, we are experiencing pandemic and there are a lot of physical activities that is not allowed to do. More often, activities such as indoor, like family bonding, is encouraged. According to the World Health Organization, the fourth leading cause of disease is inactivity. This is due to the popularity of the technological gadgets that you are up to and poor health lifestyle. Due to this alarming fact, you are encouraged to switch into a more active lifestyle by means of engaging to active recreation. Now, let us check how well you identify the pictures if passive or active recreation. Number 1, internet surfing. 2, basketball. 3, playing chess. 4, biking. 5, watching TV. Let us check. Number 1, passive. 2, active. 3, passive. 4, active. 5, passive. If you got 5 and 4 scores, good job for you. If you got 3 and below, you can try to review our video. Don't forget, aside from having active and passive types of recreational activities, you must embrace indoor and outdoor activities as well. We consider recreation as indoor when the activity is within the premises of your comfort zone, at home, or inside a building. Recreation is an outdoor activity when the activity is undertaken on a natural or open space. Engaging in physical activity is one big step that you can do to start changing your lifestyle into a healthier and more active one. Being active would mean getting yourself into active recreation such as sports, dances, and some outdoor type activities. Here are some of the indoor and outdoor recreational activities. For indoor recreational activities, we have playing badminton, Zumba fitness dance, or playing volleyball. For outdoor recreational activities, we have orienteering, hiking, and camping. Now, let us have an activity called What's Inside My Head? Directions. Fill this human head with ideas you have learned about recreation. You may draw or use cut-out pictures. Criteria for rating is provided on how your work will be graded. Creativity, 10 points. Content, 20 points. Neatness, 10 points. That is a total of 40 points. Now, let's proceed to the performance task called Let's Move. Direction. 1. Watch an online Zumba videos or recall any Zumba performance you have witnessed and be able to perform basic steps of aerobics or Zumba aerobics. 2. Familiarize yourself with Zumba dance steps. Execute the steps with energy and fun. 3. Make a simple routine using the basic steps of Zumba. 4. Combine the steps to create your own routine for 3 to 5 minutes. 5. Choose a music that will suit your steps. And 6. Perform the routine at your own level and pace. Use the criteria below as guide on how your output will be graded. Rhythm or tempo, 10 points. Dynamic or effort, 20 points. Technique used, 20 points. For a total of 50 points. Now, it's time to check on what you have learned in our lesson today. Answer the following questions by writing only the letter of the correct answer on your paper. 1. It is a voluntary participation in an activity during free and unobligated time that gives enjoyment. A. Lifestyle. B. Lifestyle change. C. Recreation. D. Existence. 2. A type of recreation that you don't need to put extra effort or energy. A. Passive. B. Active. C. Indoor. D. Outdoor. 3. A type of recreation that requires you to burn extra calories. A. Passive. B. Active. C. Indoor. D. Outdoor. 4. According to WHO, it is the fourth leading cause of death. A. Hypertension. B. Inactivity. C. Heart attack. D. COVID-19. 5. A recreation within the premises of your comfort zone, at home, or inside a building. A. Passive. B. Active. C. Indoor. D. Outdoor. 6. A recreation that is undertaken a natural or open space. A. Passive, B. Active, C. Indoor, D. Outdoor. When trying to plan for your recreational activity, which should be the best thing to keep in mind? A. The activity should be of your interest. B. The activity should be away from home. C. The activity will give you the chance to earn. D. The activity is held within your comfort zone. 8. It is a way of life. It is your style of living that reflects your attitudes and values. A. Lifestyle, B. Lifestyle change, C. Recreation, D. Existence. 9. It is your biological needs such as eating, sleeping, and rest. A. Free time, B. Existence, C. Subsistence, D. Leisure. 10. Which of the following is not indoor recreation? A. Zumba, B. Volleyball, C. Badminton, D. Hiking. Now, let us check your work. 1. C, 2. A, 3. B, 4. B, 5. C, 6. D, 7 and 8 letter A, 9. B, and 10 letter D. Good job! We are done with our quiz. You outdid yourself today. Perfect! And for your assignment, write your personal insights about the lesson using the prompts below. I understand that. I realize that. I am happy because.
I hope you learned a lot from our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye!